So here is the septic tank, and you can see it's a concrete tank. The lid's about 2 feet. You can see the various components there, the baffle and the inlet. And then we're gonna circle inside the tank. Very calm, right? There's the other baffle with the outlet, rectangular tank. We can see the concrete's in good condition. And that basically is what you see and what you get in a septic tank.